How to install Bigo Live on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install this app. First of all, open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for Bigo Live. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Now simply tap on install. So it will take some time. So what is Bigo Live? So this is a type of platform where people go online and have different views. So people who are famous will be able to earn even by using Bigo Live. So many celebrities and even other influencers use this app. Now it's installed and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.